Oh, classroom. Just finishing up my discussion from the last post, so let's get after it. So, just to recap on the wonderings. This study made me wonder if vocabulary would ever become a primary focus of educators again. I wonder if this cold period will ever progress or change into a vocabulary renaissance. I believe that most of the standardized testing overlooks vocabulary fluency and knowledge. The standard on specific tasks rather than adding a student's knowledge in the pedagogy of words is really detrimental to them. I should probably write is detrimental. And I should probably spell check that. Vocabulary assists you in job interviews, business meetings, presentations, speeches. Without a focus on vocabulary, we lose our focus on being presentable. It changes the course of how we interact. It makes human beings become more primitive. And some of the questions I put is, how can we turn this cold period into a hot period for vocabulary literacy? What is the best method to teach vocabulary, and how do I, as a teacher, design my own vocabulary? So thank you very much. This was my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Adios. Till next time.